Hi, I'm Brianna,
I'm Francisco.
And I'm Nathan.
and this is a Halloween treat that you can make at home. These cookies only require 3 ingredients to make. With just some Milano cookies, white chocolate chips, and mini chocolate chips, you can make these super sweet and the most adorable cookies ever. They're so easy that even kids can make them from the start to the finish.
First, melt white chocolate in the microwave. Heat the chocolate no more than 20 seconds at a time. Each time you heat the white chocolate, take it out of the microwave and stir it. Then dip the cookies in melted white chocolate. Here's a tip. Use a fork to dip the cookies. That way you don't get your hands messy and it saves you time.
Before the white chocolate dries, add mini chocolate chips to form the eyes in the mouth. And there you have it. Just make sure that you leave them to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Let's see how we did compared to the professional ghosts.
Nailed it! Now back to the studio.